I'm Dana Williams and I'm now on Patreon, so if you'd like exclusive content, like exclusive monthly live stream concerts, behind the scenes videos, and other exclusive content, follow me at patreon.com/IamDanaWilliams, and I hope to see you there. Today I'm going to bake my grandma's traditional Christmas cookie. We call them Jeanettes, and they're like an Italian sugar cookie with a sugar glaze and sprinkles on top. My grandma made them every holiday and they're really nostalgic for me, so I figured I would make them for you. The ingredients I'm using are butter, powdered sugar, cane sugar, eggs, flour, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract. The glaze is made up of milk, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. I'm going to be using almond milk, but you can feel free to use your milk of choice. And don't forget your sprinkles. This is the best part because it makes it look so sweet. So start by whisking together 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now whisk it together. I usually just use a fork. And set that aside for your bowl of wet ingredients. Now I'm going to beat 3/4 cup of softened butter with a half a cup of cane sugar and a half a cup of confectioner sugar. Now I'm going to mix it on low with my electric mixer for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's creamed together. Now we're ready to add the eggs. We're adding 3 eggs, but add 1 at a time. So add an egg and then mix it together and then add the other. Final egg. Now the final ingredient before we mix the dry and wet ingredients together is vanilla extract. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. Now that the wet ingredients are well blended, I'm going to slowly mix in the dry ingredients. Now the dough is ready to be refrigerated for an hour so that it keeps its form. You'll know it's ready because it's really thick. In the meantime, while you're waiting, you can cover your cookie trays with parchment paper. Hey guys, the dough's been chilling for about an hour, so I'm going to take it out of the fridge, and then I'm going to make the glaze. Oh, and I'm also going to preheat the oven to 350. The glaze requires an electric mixer, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, I'm using almond, you can use your milk of choice, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you stir it until it's smooth. Now that looks perfect. Definitely tastes like grandma's frosting. While the oven is preheating, I'm going to start rolling some balls. Try to make them around the same size. Now I'm going to put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so since I made such large cookies, they took more than 8 to 10 minutes. They took about 14. So they're ready, and I'm going to take them out of the oven now. Now I'm going to let them cool for about 5 to 10 more minutes before I dip them in the glaze. Now the best part. Now I'm going to dip the cookies into the glaze and add some sprinkles, and the glaze will harden over time.
How
beautiful is that? And there you have it, my grandma's holiday cookies. If you'd like to freeze them, make sure that the glaze is completely dry before you put them in the freezer, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out what song is playing throughout this video in the description. Let me know what kind of treats you'd like to learn how to cook with me. See you next time. It's exactly how I remember.